Why did we do it? Like you guys, we're all
do you regret it yet? Because it will come at some point. No, I'm just kidding.
Are you?
Hey, owner builders, we're here with Queen Bee and Worker Bee in the greater Boston, Massachusetts area, and they're gonna give us a tour of their beautiful new home. We're gonna just ask them some questions and get some sizes so everybody can see their house. So, here they are. Hello, guys. Hello. Can you tell us first what the square footage of your house is?
So the square footage is 2,700 square feet without the finished basement, which we'll do later on in the project. And at that point, it'll be 3,700 square feet.
Okay. All right, well, let's start with your deck. And just tell us the size of your deck.
It's about 550 square feet. It's about 40 by 20-ish.
Okay.
There's 10 feet depth all the way around.
And do you plan on adding a railing or will it be open?
We will have to, just because code is if it's more than 2 feet off the top, you're gonna have a railing all the way around. Our humble abode.
Love it.
This will be the front entryway.
Thank you. Very nice.
Alright, so this is the kitchen. The concept is an open space. So the kitchen will open up to the dining room. We will have a large kitchen island here, and then cabinets, sink space, counter space, and 6-burner range. That was important to us. And then we'll have pantry cabinets, refrigerator, wall oven unit in addition to the range, all along this wall here.
And what are the dimensions of this one?
This is about 17 by 14.
Okay.
Going up basically to where we are right now.
Okay.
Behind the kitchen is a mudroom. So being in New England, you have a lot of coats and boots and just things over the winter with the weather. So this space was also important to us to have.
This is just basically for the kids to come in off the deck and everything too. They'll come in. This is, you know, mats, shelves, books, whatever we got, book bags. This is about 8 by 7-ish. Kind of the hallway here. And then just like a little powder room off here. People that are downstairs or, you know, guests over can come use the bathroom here. It's about 8 by 4.
Okay.
So it'll be like, you know, we got 30-inch vanity here, toilet over here.
And we've chosen to go with a sliding barn door rather than pocket doors. So that's why there's nothing that's open.
All right. How tall are your ceilings in here?
10 feet.
Okay. That's very nice.
Yeah, we figured if we're gonna start building, might as well get as much height of it as we can.
This way is, again, part of the open concept. So dining room area will likely be here, and we will section the room off just by using pieces of furniture in the future. So dining room, living room area. We do have a direct vent closed gas fireplace on both the downstairs and upstairs. So the other one stacks directly above it. You'll see that in the master.
This whole area is, so it's 14 feet wide, wall to wall, and about 32 feet from the window to window.
32 feet.
Just kind of flows, the room's kind of like the heating for the first floor, because we have access to a full basement. So all the heating and return air will come through the floors, versus some people have, you'll see them in the ceilings, or depending, versus our second floor, I'll come down from the attic through the ceilings.
Okay.
So that's just a difference of the heating and cooling here.
Through here, we have a back entry to what will be the backyard. So a small porch.
Nice little porch.
out there.
And you were saying that you're on about an acre?
Yeah, it's just over an acre.
Okay. Very nice.
Just kind of like landing space here, closet for guests when they come in. It can just, you know, be a coat closet.
And that's back into the
then we go
kitchen and the
back
front
into the
door.
front,
Okay.
So really, the only interior walls are kind of like where the staircase is on the first floor.
Oh, very open. Yeah, I like how open it is.
Yeah. You can see through here. I mean, obviously obviously there will be a wall there, but you can see through here, so the garage is attached and goes right into the mudroom area, like right off the mudroom area.
Yeah, that door over there went into the mudroom. Yep, over by the kitchen. Very nice. And this is a, sorry, go ahead.
2-car garage.
2-car garage.
It's about 24 by 22.
24 by 22. Do you happen to know the size of your garage door?
Yeah, it's 16 by 7 feet tall.
All right. Nice long one. I like how it's all one door. That's nice.
Yeah, we chose not to go with a taller garage door. My dad questioned it several times because he's got big toys that he likes to put in his. But we don't have that, and we actually just wanted the space above for storage.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So that was a...
Build out like some racks and stuff up there.
Yeah, back over. Okay. And to the upstairs. I'll let you guys go first.
Yay.
stairwell. So we go to the second floor.
Beautiful.
Master
Landing.
Yeah, we go to master first.
Okay.
So right next to the stairwell, master room, bedroom. Lots of light, lots of windows.
There's the fireplace. Love it.
Love it. Vents, closed fireplace.
And what's the dimensions on this one?
This is again 14 wide by 18 long.
Okay.
Basically kind of mirrors the downstairs living room if you went top to bottom.
And then through here we have, so in here we have the closet. So this will be the master closet. Nice big walk-in space. We'll likely have hanging and built-ins here. We may do built-ins over in this corner here to put shoes or maybe just a mirror space.
And what is the dimensions on this one?
That was about 6 by 12 and there's about 2-foot kickouts.
This little nook right here.
Okay. Nice little maybe a shoe area in the corner or something like that.
How tall are your ceilings up here?
9.
9-foot ceilings.
9.5 in the master.
Okay.
And this is the master bathroom. So vanity will go here, 2 sinks. And then through here we have this will be like the toilet area and then a very open shower and tub combo. So there won't be any glass or anything, there will just be a curve here, and that's what this little pony wall is for. So there'll be like a Roman style tub faucet and a big freestanding tub with a fully tiled shower, 2 shower heads coming out.
So this is like
Very
a
nice.
6-foot square here. That'll be basically all weather for watertight, dirt rock, everything. We're using this thing called a Schluter system, which is really cool. It's basically like a prefab drain system and a wall system that's like super, super awesome for bathrooms.
Very user friendly.
Yeah.
So you'll have a prefab wall for this entire
We'll
thing?
do the dirt rock here and then we'll use their system to basically line all the walls. Down to the curbs, and it's like every single seam. Use a little bit of a little putty, but other than that, it's pretty seamless.
Very nice.
I've already preformed the drains, squares into the drain and everything.
We'll do a YouTube video on that later.
Yes, please do.
It'll be fun.
Please do.
Yeah, so this is about the same size, back to front again, about 14 feet deep, 7 feet wide here, and a little bit wider here when we had the 6-foot square.
Okay. It's a good sized bathroom. I like that. Back through the master.
Back to the master. We'll go in there.
Don't fall down the stairs.
Yep. So we still have to add a half wall here. We've decided not to do rain leak. We want to do a half wall.
Oh, okay.
So we actually have to put that in before they come and do the plaster.
Is this going to come up all the way to the ceiling? Or is it going to be half all the way? Half the whole way. You want a post all the way? No, we'll have a steel post here in the corner and those kind of anchors down. It's going to get the little wobbly effect.
Yeah, that's why I was curious.
In here, this is the main hallway to the second floor. So we have second floor laundry, which was also another must for us. So we've designed it so that it's stackable units. You could run it side by side if you wanted to, but for us, we wanted stackable and then built-in units over here for us to storage, fold laundry, whatever.
Will you have sliding doors or anything over it?
So we'll have to do bifold doors here
Okay.
because
There's not enough room to go this way.
and I wanted to be able to open up all the way instead of being like one side or the other.
Okay.
So we'll do bifold doors here.
This is about 4 feet deep and 6.5 feet wide. So you can, like I said, you can do side by side stackable, but we're gonna have a nice, basically like a 4-foot area to put a bunch of shelving and drawers for laundry supplies, folding area, whatever it is.
What do you plan on doing with this little nook right here?
That's a family portrait, self-portrait.
We actually don't have a plan for that space. We had to frame this out to run like ductwork and lines. Electrical, so that's why that's there. And ends up
Maybe just some shelves or something.
Yeah, we'll probably just have some shelves there.
Okay.
Some extra space while you're pulling things.
Nice attic access right there. Big. That'll be really handy.
Yeah. To store all your.
Definitely lots of storage space up there. We don't.
You gonna do like the pull down steps or anything to it?
Yeah.
That'll be nice.
So this is bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1. It's pretty basic. Closet in here, and then 2 windows with the kick out. So you envision.
Yeah, I
the
love
bench
that
seat.
little. It's so cute. Cute little kid's bedroom nook.
Exactly.
Yeah, the 2 bedrooms are,
They're
for all intents and
basically
purposes, identical. They're about 15 by 13. There might be another half foot in this other bedroom right next door, but that was important. 2 girls, whose room's bigger.
Right. Does that-
The windows over there, but
Does that include the closet?
yes.
Okay.
Linen closet. That's pretty basic, but really important.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Nice and deep too. That'll be good.
Bedroom number 2.
Bedroom number 2.
Same thing. This one ended up having more windows.
Oh yeah.
Double the windows, which is nice.
4 nice windows. Same size closet.
Yep.
Yes.
Well, at least they can say everything's fair, right?
Yeah.
It's exactly the same.
I grew up in a small, 3 kids, smallest bedroom. My sister had this ginormous bedroom, and my brother always like, what the heck? But now,
Boys don't care.
no. Back in the hallway, little linen closet here for more storage of, whatever excess pillows, sleeping bags, whatever kids are gonna use. Now we're in the girls, or their second bathroom up here.
The common bath. At least that's what they're calling this, is the common bath, because in the state of Massachusetts, I'm sure it's similar in other places, but you have to have the exhaust vent continuously running. So that was a special vent that we had to pay attention to.
Right. Yeah, we put that in our laundry room. Is that where ours is?
Oh, that's nice. They didn't really give us an option. It was like it had to be in a common bathroom space.
All right.
In here it went.
Yeah, so this will be kind of like an alcove tub. You can obviously see the tub here, tub shower. We'll tile all this around. Toilet here, nice vanity for the girls, a bunch of storage in there.
What are the dimensions on this one?
This is about
Pull out the little book.
12 by 6.5, 7.
Okay.
We did not screw up, but the way that the
joist.
joist landed here, we actually originally entered straight through this way with a toilet over here in this corner.
Oh.
But
we
the
had
floor joist ran right where he had to put the flange.
Yep.
So we actually had to reframe the wall, and luckily he caught it early enough while the framers were still here, so they just changed the entryway, and this made more sense. It actually is the same thing happened to us in the master bathroom too, so we had to pull the toilet a little bit off the wall, and we'll have to build like a little shelf or wall behind it to support the toilet, but that didn't end up being as big of a deal as this was like right on.
Yeah.
He was able to just pull the other one
Yeah.
forward. Unfortunately, those
Actually,
floor joists. I know you talked about the joists running
Yeah.
for
your
hallway
lights
lighting.
and your vents and.
And we did think about that, but like here in the state of Massachusetts, again, you have to have a structural engineer sign off and stamp all your plans, and they're the ones who do like where everything runs, so you
Can't change it much.
change it.
Right.
Yeah. And we already had so much bearing on the walls that do exist downstairs that we didn't have a lot of leeway. We wanted to keep the open concept.
Right.
So
Got it.
moving a toilet, not a big deal.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad it worked out nicely. Wasn't too big of a deal.
Right.
Okay, so we're back at the top of the stairs.
And then this ended up being what we're gonna call our bonus space.
This is my favorite room. It's so cute.
Yeah. I wasn't sure at first when they put all this in and I saw this beam, I felt a little weird about it. And then all the eaves and stuff came together and it's a fun space.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Yeah, so extra space, nice big like storage closets, or we don't even have to treat them as storage closets. We could make them as like hideout space.
Yeah,
or play
little
space
playrooms, or
yeah.
you got one on that side and one on this side.
This is about the same size as the garage. This is 25 by 16 about.
25 by 16. It's really big, yeah.
Yeah.
So for now, you'll probably do playroom or something else.
This is basically utilizing the entire space that the garage is taking up.
Right.
The garage is attached, might as well go up with it. I think it also just helps fill out the whole house if you're already going to go up the story too.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is our favorite place.
I love it. It's so cute. Somebody tell me about the trusses.
Conventional framing. So they're not prefab trusses. They're literally grabbing all of their wood and building everything
On site.
On site. Like these are what they call LVLs out here. They're like, the load bearing parts and beams for the structure here. But yeah, everything is 100% what they call in this part of the country conventional framing. Framing. They're literally all the walls, all the beams, everything. Starting with one piece of wood, add them together.
That is really cool. Because, yeah, out in where we're at, most people, do you know anyone who's done that? Or does everyone just order?
Yeah, because you talked a lot about your trusses. And
yeah, we ordered trusses, yep. And they brought them on a semi and brought a crane and craned them up on top of the house.
That's crazy.
They built them off-site.
It starts with an LVL up on top.
Oh, yeah.
And they tie into it and down.
Awesome.
Good learning experience.
Yeah.
A lot of learning.
That's what building a house is, right? A ginormous learning experience.
Yeah. So
All the
downstairs
openness.
is an unfinished basement at the moment. It's super dark down there because there's like two very tiny windows on the side and a door, but we've got it tarped off just because of weather.
Right.
But there will be a finished bathroom once we go to finish the basement. Also, our boiler or our heater is downstairs along with our electric panel, so we can kind of hide all that stuff down there. And then when we frame it in, we'll frame it in so that there's a big utility closet.
And you don't have plans for when you're gonna do that?
I want to finish the house.
Whenever, just sometime in
I
the
want to sleep in here.
far off future.
Yeah.
Okay,
where we're at.
thanks guys. That was an awesome tour. Thank you. I really love that tour. If you like the tour, make sure to check out the other video where we're gonna be interviewing these guys and asking them a whole bunch more questions. It'll be awesome. Check it out.